What do you do if your customer won't pay you on time? So, you need a solution, and the solution inside this business growth workshop video. Hi, this is Rinki Khan, your CRM expert and MSME business coach. Today, we will talk about if your customer won't pay you on the time and what to do with that. So, there are lots of people come to me and says, Rinki, सेल हो गई है, okay, पर पैसे अभी तक नहीं आए. The sales happened, but the money has not come yet. Sounds familiar? See, I hear this almost every week from every small business owners, and I get it. It's painful because on paper, your sales looks great. You did a 10 lakh sale, 20 lakh sale, 15 lakh sale, or 50 lakh sales, but in the reality, you're scrambling to pay salaries, vendors, rent, EMIs, other things, and etc, and this is called a receivable stuck in the market, and you know it's left unmanaged, and it silently kills your growth. So what you can do? So we have covered this video in a 3 step. Step 1, you have to shorten your credit terms. See what is actually meant. If you usually give the 60 days of payment, bring it down to the 30 days. Okay, if you give the 30 days of payment cycle, so bring it down to the 15 days, and you will be surprised how often instantly numb is just a habit, not a necessity. Second, you need to reward the earlier payments. Like if a person is going to pay the earlier payment option, like if you are going to if your customer is going to pay you within the 16 days or within the 1 week, so give them a offer like a 2 to 3% discount for your client who clears all the dues. Okay, like say for the example, you sold a product for 30 lakhs rupees, and the customer sales cycle is for, and the payment cycle is for 15 days, and your particular customer pay all the dues within the 15 days, so please give them a reward, like offer them a 2 to 3% discount for the total, like a 30,000 30 lakhs will be your amount, so you can give the 2 to 3% of discount, like it will cost you like a 27 lakhs or 26 lakhs. If the customer, you say to your customer, sir, if you are paying within the 15 days, so you don't need to pay me the 30 lakhs rupees, you just need to pay me 27 to 28 lakhs rupees, because I am giving you 2 to 3% of instant discount, because you're making the payment within the payment cycle of 15 days, right? So this is a second step you need to adapt, because it's a cheaper than borrowing money from the bank, and it's a healthier for your cash flow also, right? Now, third is to automate reminder. There are lots of people who forget to ask for the payment and don't change the invoice manually. So kindly set up a auto reminder via WhatsApp or email, where you can integrate all your data format, like all your customer data, all your invoice data, all your payment terms, all your payment collection data into a platform, and then integrate with it to the via WhatsApp API integration or API email integration. So we have a module that's called a Bharat Works 360. It has the auto reminder system, okay, where you can maintain all your customer database, all your payment, all your follow-up, all the reminder, all the invoice, all the revenue in just one single platform. So this is why we have introduced the Bharat Work 360, and please do this consistently, and you will stop feeling like a begging, like a beggar for your own hard earned money. But here's a deep truth: it is not your sale that make you financially free, it's your system. You need to build a system how you're going to manage all your sales For the system, managing the system, you need the strategy, how you going to implement that system into your work, and how you going to set up your team to run that system, to work the system properly. And for that you need the technology, because without technology you can never automate your all the manual work to all the automation work. So if you want to know more about the system strategy and the technology, please give me comment on the system or the Bharat Work 360, and I'll give you the free video, a free video tutorial for this. And if you want to know more, please set up a demo call where I can come down to your place, or I can give you the virtual assistant how the system actually work, or you can join my business growth workshop on the Saturday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., where I can clear all the confusion of yours, right? So kindly join my business growth workshop on this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Till then, bye bye.